From the hostels in England, where were they going to send you?
So I went actually from Liverpool to Manchester, and of course we were sort of educated to go to Israel, and we wanted to go to Israel. We were anxious to go to Israel. In fact, I did go. I stole myself out of England and volunteered for the Israeli army. I crossed the English Channel, and then I took a train to Paris. In Paris, I met up with some Jewish people that were in the underground, so to speak, and they sent me to the south of France. And there I trained in Marseille, in the south of France, and there was a port also. And when a boat came in with refugees from Germany or wherever they came, I don't know, we joined them, and we joined them on this boat, and we went to Haifa. We landed in Haifa. They took us, all the volunteers, separate, and they took us to a place, and they took us to Beit Lit. In Beit Lit, they fitted us out also with overalls, and they gave me a gun, a gun that was made in Czechoslovakia, but it had the Hakenkreuz, the Swastikas on the gun. And they took us to Safat, and there, at that time, all the Arabs neighbors, they sort of started invading Palestine at that time. And so we fought in the Galil till our company got to a certain place near Lebanon. And when we got there, they used to have fire down on us. There used to be a British camp there, and so it was empty. So we stayed in that camp. Our Chativa Sheva stayed in that camp, and we had an English person, an English captain, that he was in charge of our company, and he was a very knowledgeable person how to invade and fight and take us to different places to attack and so forth.
Why was an English captain in a camp in Israel when the British were on the other side? That's so interesting. Why?
Well, there's a reason for that. He was in love with a Jewish girl in a kibbutz, and he used to go and see her from time to time, and he would take two guys to guard him in the kibbutz, and I happened to be one of them.